like to ask you, you have been in Singham.
Film has more dialogues,
Yes.
which when you see the film you'll know. Apart from having the previous ones like Atamaji Satakli and everything, we have some new dialogues which people really like.
So we will be getting to hear a lot of new dialogues, lot of
Yes.
dhamakedar dialogues as we have seen in
I hope
Singham.
so, yes.
All right, so we are all looking forward to that. We are all looking forward to Singham Returns, which is releasing on 15th of August. Now I'm sure we have a lot of people over here who wants to know a lot more about Singham Returns. So now the media is open to ask their questions. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
Questions from media, please.
Hi, I have a question for Kareena. Hi, this is Taruna from TV9. Okay, I have a question like we have heard that you have done a lot of action in this. So how come a glamorous doll to an action-oriented actress?
Well, it's not exactly action. I mean, I've just driven a rickshaw,
Auto rickshaw.
and it's not really, I mean, the kind of action and stunts that Ajay is doing in the film. But like everyone knows, it's a Rohit Shetty film, so there will be a lot of action, and there will be a lot of comedy. So mine is the comedy track, which I think people will enjoy.
So how long did it take you to get rehearsed for that rickshaw drive?
No, actually, it was quite on the. It was not really that I practiced too much or anything, and I think it's turned out quite well.
So Ajay, hi. So Ata Maji Sadakla. What is that pronounced? What is the meaning of that?
Atamaji Satakli, that means I've lost it, I've gone mad now.
So when did you go mad in the movie?
In the,
In the film? When was the situation when you got that thought?
that was there in 1 also, and in 2 also there are 3-4 places where it's Atamaji Satakli, and in 2 she's also saying Atamaji Satakli.
Is the film an adaptation of the Collywood sequel? Is this film an adaptation of the Collywood sequel? Is the film an adaptation of Collywood sequel?
No, it's not. It's a fresh story. It has got nothing to do with what is made here also. And only the characters of the sequel from the one which has been taken. Otherwise, it's a completely fresh setup and story.
Hi, can you hear me? Hi. So my question is to you. We all know that Singham is more like a Ajay sir dominated movie. He does the action, he does the comedy and more of it. So don't you think you'll be overshadowed in this movie? Because I don't see much of you in trailer, neither in the posters.
Well, in this film, like I said, that Rohit is known for action and comedy, and Ajay is, of course, doing all the action, and since he's definitely playing the title role, but even in a Hollywood film like Iron Man, you do have someone like Gwyneth Paltrow starring in the film. So I do have a relevant role when you see the film. In fact, it's quite funny, the character. So I'm sure people will enjoy it.
Thank you.
She's doing all the comedy in the film.
And you're doing
And
that.
the romantic track this time shaped up very well, so we needed somebody like her. In fact, only her who could justify the role.
Hi, the original Singham did really well, so now this is a sequel, so how much more challenging is it considering it's a sequel?
One was accepted and appreciated in a big way. And so we had a lot of pressure on when we were making Singham Returns that, you know, it should match up to the expectations. And we waited for the right time, for the right script, for the right idea, and then we started doing. So that was the pressure. So it was more challenging, yes, I would say that. And it is much more bigger than Singham 1 in scale and drama and every which way, and it's much more real.
And you've acted with Rohit Shetty before also several times, so was there a comfort level that you shared? Was it easier?
You know, it's been 25 years we've been working together, so this question does not hold any weight because after 25 years you don't even realize that, you know, what the comfort zone is. Take a microphone.
I request all the photographers to please turn off their flashes. All the photographers, please turn your flashes off.
Ajay, Bollywood is looking at more South Indian stories nowadays, South Indian industry. And you have done a couple of movies already. So how do you say, now North is looking at South now because is it dominating? Do you think the South Indian movie industry in the wise of in the story wise or in the making wise?
Not really. Exchanges keep happening of scripts. I mean, what is made here, if it is really nice, because there are some good scripts here, we adapt them, and vice versa. It's like now Singham is not an adaptation of any South film. The Singham 2, which released here, has got nothing to do with Singham Returns. Completely new script, new idea, new everything.
How do you say Bollywood?
And,
How do you say Bollywood taking other not Singham, other movies? Now Race Gurram is also booked for Bollywood with the stars. It's a super hit movie in Telugu, Race Gurram. And now it's the rights are taken by Bollywood, some official of Bollywood. Now heroes are concentrating. Bollywood heroes are concentrating on South Indian stories. What do you say about it?
Yeah, that's what I said. Movies from here, what we like, are adapted there. Movies from there are adapted here. So it all depends on which script is shaped up well, and it gets adapted.
Hi, Karina. Hi. My question goes to you. Okay, Karina, you have been very selective about your movies. Like you have been rejecting. So, what was the main reason that you have selected Singham Returns?
Well, Rohit and me have always done some wonderful work together, whether it was Golmaal 2 or Golmaal 3, and he's always given me special roles. And of course, I mean, I love working with Ajay. It's also a big action-packed film that I've never really been a part of, and I want to be part of it.
सर 26/11 के बाद आपकी पहली फिल्म है जिसको ताज और गेट ऑफ बॉम्बे गेट ऑफ के पास शूटिंग का मौका मिला और हाई अलर्ट में भी किए, माहिम जैसे हाई क्राउडेड एरिया में भी आप लोग शूटिंग किए।
उसमें हमारे जो जितने भी मुंबई के डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं, इवन मुंबई पुलिस, उनका बहुत कोऑपरेशन था। सिंघम 1 की वजह से जो एक उनको सिंघम 1 बहुत पसंद आई थी, तो उस वजह से हमको ऐसी लोकेशंस पे शूट करने को मिला जहां आपने पहले किसी हिंदी फिल्म को नहीं देखा होगा।
Sir, what happened Kajal Agarwal's character in the sequel?
I just told you that except for the character, everything is new in the film. So it's a new story, new setup, completely new.
करीना जी, महाराष्ट्रियन कैरेक्टर में आपने काम किया है, चंद गालियां भी दी हैं, वो थोड़ा
I mean, वो लड़की का कैरेक्टर है फिल्म में, जिस तरह से वो बात करती है, क्योंकि सिंघम बहुत कम बोलता है, and her character is very fun loving. So even the galis that I've said in the film are said with a lot of fun and attitude. It's not anything serious.
बाजीराव सिंघम को इंस्पेक्टर से डीसीपी बनने के लिए 3 साल लग गए, इसकी कोई बात?
3 साल तक बाजीराव सिंघम कहानी ढूंढ रहा था, और जैसे कहानी मिल गई तो वो डीसीपी बन गया।
सर, लास्ट सिंघम भ्रष्टाचार पे थी, अब ब्लैक मनी पे है, और इसकी तमाम शूटिंग गोवा से बॉम्बे में की गई। इसमें कोई अंडरवर्ल्ड का दखल नहीं है आपकी सब्जेक्ट में, जबकि अगर बॉम्बे में कोई फिल्म की शूटिंग होती तो क्राइम के हिसाब से अंडरवर्ल्ड को लिया जाता।
आई थिंक मुंबई में भी अंडरवर्ल्ड काफ़ी ख़त्म हो चुका है, एंड जो ब्लैक मनी का प्रॉब्लम है वो सारे देश में है, और बड़े बड़े लोगों की ब्लैक मनी का प्रॉब्लम है, जो पावरफुल लोग हैं, तो उसको टैकल किया गया है। दैट इज़ ऑल ओवर द कंट्री।
Hello, hi Ajay. Here. Every time this special action for all Rohit Shetty films, you have done a lot of action. But what is special in this movie? What kind of action you?
More real, more aggressive.
Yeah.
It's not like that same people flying, and it's more real.
In one of your interviews, also you have said there is no more too much of flying cars and stuff. So
Not about flying cars, it depends from film to film. But in this film, we've kept it more realistic.
सर, अमोल गुप्ते जी ने एक स्वामी जी का कैरेक्टर किया है, इसका कोई पॉलिटिक बैकग्राउंड है?
स्वामी जी का कोई कैरेक्टर नहीं किया उन्होंने एक कैरेक्टर किया है जो कि एक ही इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली अ स्वामी, ही इज अ कॉन मैन, एंड ही इज बेसिकली अ पावर ब्रोकर, अ पावर डीलर इन द फिल्म।
ओके, क्वेश्चन टू करीना। हाय, सो करीना, आजकल शूटिंग के बाद आप थोड़ी कुकिंग में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट बता रही है, तो बताइए आप सैफ के लिए कोई स्पेशल डिशेस कुछ बना रही हैं, उसकी रेसिपी क्या है, बताएंगे कुछ?
Well, I have a wonderful cook at home. I don't need to cook.
No, because the rumors were that we have read that you are cooking good food nowadays, especially for Nawab South. So
No, not at all. In fact, I don't think I've cooked in the last 7-8 years.
Thank you.
Hi. Yeah. My question is to both of you. Since you
This is not the first time we've come to Hyderabad. We've shot in Hyderabad lots of times, and we love shooting in Hyderabad. It's very convenient. We love the food here.
like, what about?
All right, can I have one last question, please, after we are
But it's not been
closing?
answered yet.
Yeah.
All right.
So we love the food here, and we've shot a lot in Ramoji Rao also. There are lots of things which are more convenient to shoot in Hyderabad. So we shot some portions of it here.
At Golconda Fort also, but you did not get time to check out the city. You were so busy with the shooting.
That's what I told you. This is not the first time we've come here. So we practically checked out the city. We've shot everywhere since the past 20 years.
Okay.
Ajay, Kareena and Saif are anyway acting. So you've been into constant acting as well. What about Kajal? Is she gonna act? I mean,
Yeah, she's working on a film which will start by the end of the year.
why wasn't Kajal a choice for this film as your female lead?
No, I don't think so. Every character suits somebody or the other, and I don't think that she suited this role.
Are you gonna make it?
And I feel that husband and wife should not work much together because it's.
You wanted to share something really secretive and exclusive with media people, but what was that one thing? In any of the tours, you never shared.
If it is secretive and it's been hidden,
But
there
now you
must be
want
a
to reveal
reason
it.
that it is hidden.
No, any one thing you want to share from your side, both of you.
I can't think of something.
Kareena?
Can you think of something?
I don't think anything is hidden from the media anyway these days. You all know more than us.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.